It's Fashion Friday. Fashion Friday. Fashion Friday. Fashion. It's Fashion Friday. Soyez le bienvenu. Soyez le bienvenu dans ma page. Huh? Yes. What's poppin'? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the fashion because it's Friday. Fashion Friday. Duh. And I'm going to show you guys my fall must-have. Now, this video says my fall must-have. Meaning, I'm hoping that you guys get inspired by what I have in my closet. These are the clothes that I must have in my closet for fall and winter because it's just a must have. Il n'a besoin pour una somba. Il faut una somba. J'ai besoin que j'achète ça pour automne. Et si c'est une cette vidéo, faut pas oublier d'aimer, subscribe. Aussi, avant qu'on commence, before I start, I want to talk to you guys about this mic I have on. This mic gave me problems. I'm actually redoing my intro because the first time I did it, I didn't plug the mic in correctly and you couldn't hear it. But this mic was given to me. Pourquoi j'ai fait ça? Hein? Sorry. Il faut que je me vois comme si j'ai maigri. I look skinny. But this mic was sent to me by a company called Pop Voice. Let me get the box. Pop Voice, electronic for you. They sent me this mic to review because I'm a creator and I need equipment for me guys. I need equipment for me to use to record my videos for you guys to watch. They reached out to me and they were like, hey, would you like to review this product? And I was like, sure, why not? Just for a quick side note, I already have a mic for my camera and my camera already has a built-in mic, but this makes it a lot clearer because the built-in mic on my camera doesn't really pick up a lot. This is very beneficial if I want to, like, you know, record in the morning and I don't want to yell because people be sleeping in the morning, you know, I don't want to be rude. This one is just, I feel like it's a lot clearer, and plus I use it when I do my voiceover on my phone because my voiceover when I record it on my iPhone, iPhone when it updates, the old one starts to become trash. So the mic on my phone becomes very trash. So I used this for my voiceover and it was perfect. C'était bien, huh? C'était tellement bien. And it was very useful. So if you are a content creator yourself and you're looking for equipment to purchase, I highly recommend you guys to give Pop Voice a chance. The only thing I don't like about this mic is it's wired. So I had to like tuck it in here and like out here so you guys so you won't see the wired, but it's very affordable and it's around $13 on Amazon. So if you like it, I will be sure to leave the link down below. So check out Pop Voice. Check them out, okay? Pop Voice. If you have a iPhone and you're afraid that you don't have the little plug thing, it doesn't come with the plug thing, don't worry. It comes with one, and it also comes with extra little muffin top. I call it a muffin top. So yeah, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can purchase it yourself. So with that being said, on commence avec le video. So like I said, today's video is all about the fall. I'm going to show you guys my fall must-have, and I'm going to just show you guys. And while I'm talking about these outfits, the videos will pop up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So my fall must-have number one, I go for another left. My fall must-have for the fall, I like to go for nothing less but the turtleneck. I used to be anti-turtlenecks. I hated turtlenecks back when I was younger. I actually have a picture of me on the wall with the turtleneck on, and I was bourreau. J'étais gros. J'étais pas vraiment bien. I like to go with simple colors, and one thing about me that I've noticed is I like to buy the same style but in different colors. So with this turtleneck, you must have a black turtleneck, okay? There's two different type of turtlenecks that I buy. I buy the the neck length right here. J'achète deux différents tricots. Celui-ci, ça s'arrête seulement ici. It stops right here. And if you guys can tell in the video, je vous montre maintenant. Ça arrête ici. Et puis aussi, c'est deux différentes couleurs. J'aime acheter des tricots avec la même style. mais différentes couleurs. Buy the same style, but just different color. It's a must-have to have a black turtleneck, hein? Il faut que tu achètes celui de noir, hein? Achète le tricot noir. C'est vraiment, vraiment important que tu aies le tricot noir. So the first one that I showed you guys, it was neck length. So it was like right in the middle. This one right here, I don't remember where I got it. I think I got it at Kohl's, I think. Like I said before, they're the same style but different colors. This one goes all the way up to my neck, and yeah, they're the same style, different colors, compared to the ones that I have that are like neck length type of turtlenecks. Ça ici, ça part jusque là, hein, ça couvre tout, hein. I don't like wearing scarves. You will rarely see me wear scarves. I like scarves, but I'm not a scarf addict, so turtlenecks for me are a must-have. My next must-have is why did I do that? My next must-have is si tu as pas ça dans ton closet. If you don't have this in your closet, I don't know what you're doing with your life. I feel like if you are fashionista, if you say you know fashion, you have to have this in your closet, and that's a blazer. I have different type of blazers. I have two different type of blazers that I wear. I have, let me just show y'all. I have a padded blazer, which I'm going to show you guys in the video. This one has like shoulder pads. It gives you that vintage type of look. I just find it very cute. And then the second one that I have is like non-shoulder pad type of blazers. Like it gives you like that, I wouldn't say slicky, but it's like 21st century type of blazers. J'ai différentes sortes de vestes. Je sais pas comment on appelle ça en français. Je crois que c'est veste. Ça ici, il y en a comme les, comment on dit ça, les coussins. Il y en a un peu de chiffon ici. Ça te donne un peu de Janet Jackson, hein? Now with my blazers, I like to do like different patterns and different styles. You must have a black blazer. It's really important for you to have a black blazer. I feel like black blazers are very important because you can just throw it on with just about any color. The only thing different about the two blazers is one has shoulder pads on them, and the other one doesn't. So I like to have my different shoulder pads. I don't know, it just spices up my looks. My next must-have for the fall is trench coat. Si tu sais pas comment on porte les trench coats, il faut que tu partes visiter Paris, Londres, Belgique pour que tu comprends. If you don't know how to wear your trench coat, you just need to get out the US. Or better yet, if you can't, just download Pinterest. Pinterest helps. I have my short length type of trench coat. This, I believe I got it from Boohoo. No, duh, it says it right here, Boohoo. And this is very, very like lengthy. I like this trench coat because I can dress it up and I can also dress it down. And it's a must-have. J'aime ces trench coats ici parce que je peux porter ça avec n'importe quoi. Y'all saw the hair flip?
Je vais porter ça avec n'importe quoi.
C'est vraiment important que j'achète les jaquettes ici. C'est que c'est pas vraiment, hein? Les amoulaïtés, mais ça, parfait. You'll see, I also have the long trench coat, which is also from Boohoo. I haven't really wore this out that much, but when I first bought this trench coat, it looked like an actual like robe, and I didn't like it until I found out how I could actually wear it. It's lightweight, but it's also warm. Like I don't have to do a lot. I can wear it with my turtleneck, and I can wear it with, you know, just a sleeve. Just something lightweight for the fall is a must-have. Hein? Aux amabilités, c'est vraiment bien. My next trench coat is my Gabrielle Union trench coat. Gabrielle Union. My Gabrielle Union trench coat. I like to call this my fancy trench coat because I only wear it whenever I'm going somewhere fancy. With this is cotton, and this is more like of a leather / I don't know, what is this? We don't know, but it's not as clothy as this one. Now my next must-have for the fall, some people might not find this beneficial, but this is my must-have. Okay, I just want you guys to be inspired by what I have in my closet. I like vest. I have 3 different types. I have the safari, which you know is the fur. Boots with the fur. And I have the denim. My mom calls me Miss Denim. Je m'appelle Miss Denim à la maison parce que je porte beaucoup de denim. I don't know what type of thing this is, but I have this. Okay, my mom actually got me this for Christmas, so thank you, mommy. And I like having these type of fits in my closet because Ohio weather is kind of weird. I live up north, of course. Ohio is like one day is hot, one day is cold, one day is like humid. It's so annoying. Souvent, si je vais pas porter mes jaquettes ou bien les tricots, je vais porter ça. J'essaie. But yeah, if I want to stay warm with just a jacket, not jacket, but a sweater on, like I can just put this on. Like it makes your simple looks not look so simple. If you don't have leather in your closet, sis, what are you doing? You must have leather in your closet, okay? Leather jackets, they will never go out of trend. I feel like leather jackets will always be here. J'ai besoin que vous achetez les jaquettes cuir. Hein? C'est cuir, non? Oui, les cuir, hein? Je portais le cuir quand j'étais petit. Je porte aussi le cuir quand j'ai 25 ans. Je vais porter le cuir quand je vais après 60 ans. Je vais porter le cuir quand je vais partir au Lola. Hein? Quand je vais partir au Lola, je vais porter aussi le cuir. Le cuir, c'est important que tu achètes ça dans ton closet. Hein? Comment on dit closet en français? Closet. It's very important that you buy leather. I feel like leather will never run out. So for me, I have leather. I like to have, like I told you guys before, I have the same style with different colors because I find it beneficial for some reason. Like I buy the same thing with different colors. The leather jacket goes with just about anything. I feel like black leather jacket goes with just about anything. These are like the same jacket, but they're different brands, but just the same jacket. I don't get it. One is Fifth Stack Avenue and the other one starts with a B, so it's Bagatelle. I guess it's European. Bagatelle, hein? Money hop caca, eh? If I want to throw this on with jeans, but I don't want to, like, you know, I don't know. I haven't like found a way to wear this jacket yet, but we gonna figure it out. I just wanted something leather, and I wear this more than I wear this. As you can tell, the price tag is still on there. Ah, sale. I wear denim jackets with just about anything. So I have two types of denim jackets. My main go-to are my light blue denim jacket and my baggy Fashion Nova denim jacket. Just to show you guys a different style. The one that I have in my closet are also like, it has a hood on it, which I find it very beneficial to buy different sorts of denim jackets because certain type of denim jackets go with certain type of looks. I don't know. I don't wear this as much, but for some reason it's my must-have for the fall. Like I have to have a light blue denim jacket. Light blue jackets come in handy. So yeah, I must have a denim jacket. It's like a fashion must-have. Denim jackets are fashion must-have. Il faut que tu achètes les jeans comme ça parce que tu as besoin de ça. Donc, maintenant tu oses n'as besoin de côté à fille parce que eza ebele ta kokite na nga kumona ndeti na lata ba jacket ya denim te. Tu as besoin de ça, hein? Tu as besoin de ça dans ton closet. Ma sœur, achète ça toi. Achète ça, hein? Tu as besoin de ça. Faut pas me dire que tu n'as pas besoin de ça. Tu as besoin de ça, oh. Va acheter ça. Ça va t'aider. Lastly, I have my sweaters, my crew necks. As you guys can tell, we got pink, blue, and rouge. Pink, blue, rouge. That's what we got. We need crew necks, my colored crew necks. It's really important for me to have crew necks in my closet. C'est vraiment important pour que j'achète des tricots dans mon closet parce que if I have one of those days, like I really do have one of those days where when it's time for me to go to school and I just want to have extra sleep, you guys know, I'll just wear my crew neck, my sweatpants. Sometimes I wear it with jeans, but 80% of the time I like to wear my sweatpants and nice sneakers, and I'm out the door. And I can layer this up. I could wear this with just about anything. I could wear this with trousers, I could wear this with skirts, dresses. I could wear these type of sweaters with just about anything. Tu as vraiment besoin d'acheter des tricots, hein? Tu as des tricots comme ça. Si je ne vais pas partir à l'école avec mes jeans ou bien je ne vais pas vraiment m'habiller, je vais seulement porter ça. Je porte mes jogging, on porte les chaussures, après ça on part. Après ça on part, hein? Yeah, it's really important for me to have sweaters like these in my closet. As you guys can tell, I'm like a sweater person. I have hoodies and they're very beneficial. So you guys saw my must-have. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got some information on how to, you know, upgrade your closet. I'm like, right now I'm rebuilding my closet, so it's like I'm noticing what I really need in my closet, and these things right here are my must-have. So if you guys like this type of video and you want to see more of this, please make sure you subscribe and also thumbs up. Si tu veux voir beaucoup de cette sorte de vidéos, faut pas oublier de me subscribe. Après ça, on va continuer de filmer. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys